Here's the filter now with the shell removed. The water drips out here on the bottom. You can see the carbon filings inside of the shell. I don't recommend you cut this thing open because it made a mess. Let's take a look and see what's inside this filter. This, I'm guessing, is activated charcoal. Just comes out of here. Trying to look for evidence of the stuff that it filtered out of the water, but won't really see anything in there. They must be so small, the particles, that you can't see them. This membrane here is pretty soft. You look right here, you can see there's definitely something else in here. This is supposed to be made from coconut somehow. So this is supposed to help catch, I guess, all the stuff that it gets rid of, the minerals in the water. And then this membrane is supposed to catch more, some more stuff and keep it from getting through with the water when it drips out into your pitcher. Here's the filter. I glued it to some glass so that we can watch how it filters the water. Now in here I didn't fill it up completely with the carbon like it's supposed to be. It goes all the way up to that screen up there. I did that so that we'll be able to see the water in there as it trickles through. I had to keep re-gluing this thing to the glass because it kept leaking. So let's see how it's gonna do now. A little too much water in there. Can you see it there dripping? It's dripping on the bottom. It's coming out of the filter like it's supposed to. Like it would if it wasn't cut in half. No, that thing is sealed up pretty good like it's supposed to be, so the water's taking a while to go through the filter. So I was able to get it sealed up successfully to the glass. This is what happens inside of it when you put the water in. Nothing exciting. Oh, and then you lose some air bubbles too, because this filter does get air in it. And also a trick I figured out with this filter, when you're done filtering the water, you should let the filter dry out a little bit, because that allows the chlorine to escape that it removed from your water. And so you can actually smell it inside of the filter when it's dry, after all the water goes through and is filtered in the container. You see, it's hard to see the carbon right now. It's hard to get good lighting on it because the glass is going to reflect the light. Here's the other half of the filter. This white stuff this came from something else. This isn't supposed to be in here, just so you know. This is the carbon stuff. Putting my finger under here, the filter where the water's coming out. And look, it's clear. I don't see any blue pigment. Blue pigment is definitely slowing down the flow of the water. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.